All right, I'm looking at this right now. So let's see. Is it with my rules or not? Okay, we got the liquidity grab, and let's go to the 4-hour time frame and see what happens. So we have the very strong push to the downside, and we take out the 4-hour candle, strong candle low, 4-hour swing low, I believe. And after that, taking out that 4-hour swing low, we want an immediate reaction and price giving an immediate reaction. No. It's not giving an immediate reaction. So yeah, that's it. And there is a 2-hour supply over here. Price gave the breakout structure. Play. Price gave the internal one, and now it gave an external one. And so this is a breakout structure. So I can only anticipate or expect this kind of from this trade. Okay, we are on the 3-minute time frame. I want to take this trade, bro. It has a liquidity grab. We have a breakoff structure over here. So the breakoff structured. Selling is aggressive, selling is impulsive, and buying seems very slow to the supply. I want very perfect scenario. If I can catch 1 to 4 RR, if the trade taps the supply zone, let's follow our rules. Do not trade against the trend. Yeah, we are with the trend. Do not trade against the liquidity sweep of the significant high low, even though the setup looks clean. Yeah, setup looks clean, and it is not against the liquidity sweep because we hasn't liquidated anything. Bro, should I take this trade or not? Bro, what? Let me take the trade. Let me put my orders over there because I don't want to regret it because I'm already in the losses right now. There are these 1 hour and 1 hour. Yeah, there are these 1 hour and valid zones, and bro, what? Yeah, let me go to the MT5 and just put the orders. Yeah. Of course. Oh no, 10 lots? No, bro, no. I'm not crazy. How about 1 lot? $194. But if the trade plays out, if this trade plays out, I'm not going with 1 lot. 0.6. Yeah, pretty much good. My All right, I put my limit order over there. Price is hitting the zone, and I don't know what's gonna happen. It is what it is. I followed my plan. So strong selling, buying here according to 4-hour. What I can see on the 4-hour time frame, yeah, on the 4-hour, bro, price is about to hit my order there. Spreads are, we are in the London Open right now, and spreads are really crazy. And what I want, price to go to these 1 hour candle low, 1 hour bullish swing low. I want the price to go to this 1 hour low. What is the level? Let's go to the 1 hour low, 1 hour time frame, and the 1 hour time frame. Okay, all right. Okay, this is open, high, low, close. 181,986, 181,986. Let's put our order right. 181,986, right? 181.986. All right. 269 if the price. All right, I'm taking the risk of I have the 5K funding account, and I'm taking the risk of how much risk I'm taking. 1% is $50, 2% $100. So my risk is above the, no, I'm taking the risk of, including commission, I'm taking the risk of $60 to make 1 to 4. And yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it. Let's observe that what's gonna happen. If, yeah, bro, it is. I'm going to take this trade, beautiful scenario over here. The trade has a potential to go 1 to 4.4, 1 is to 4.59 RR to the downside, and this is beautiful supply. Selling is aggressive, buying is weak, And inside the buying, we created the invalid demand zone over here. Yeah, this is the invalid 3-minute demand zone, and it contains a liquidity below it. So of course the price is going to go down, and it contains liquidity. Why? Because lots of SMC traders were putting their buy limit over here, but they don't know the price already invalidated this 4-hour demand zone. What's going to happen? I don't know. I really don't know what is going to happen. Is it a swing? Bro, I'm really confused. Is this a valid supply, or is this one is a valid supply? Which one is valid one? Which one is a valid one? It is or it is. Okay. I will put the exit criteria like, okay, no buying above here, right? No buying above here. No buying above here, right? No buying above here. Sorry, no selling above here, bro. What the? No selling above here. Selling above here. Ah, man, do not expect. Okay, if the price comes again over here, we have liquidated, we have the break of structure. If the price comes here and tap liquidates this swing low inside this, it is not the invalidated yet. The zone is not invalidated yet. It's gonna invalidate if the price tap the zone, and then it is going to come down. Then the zone is invalidated. But right now the zone is not invalidated. So I'm waiting for price to come to this level, and if the price comes to this level, bro, it is a beautiful trade. Again, it's another beautiful trade, and price possibly can go down and liquidate this swing low, and from here the price will give a reaction to this supply, and now this supply contains a liquidity below it, and then from here we can expect, okay, like that. I'm expecting this. If the price gonna fall, it will liquidate this swing low. From here it will gonna go up, have this 3-minute supply. Now this demand contains a liquidity, price gonna hunt the liquidity, and it will gonna give me my beautiful target. That's what I'm thinking right now, boys. Now just let's wait and see what happens, bro. Yeah, let's just wait and watch. So what I'm thinking right now, if the price comes here and liquidate this swing low, probably I'm gonna buy over here just to cover the stop loss of these trade. So I'm just thinking like that, bro. Literally, I'm thinking like that. If the price comes here with the 8 pips of the stop loss, I'm targeting beautiful trade, 31 pips. Yeah, 30 pips. 31, 33 pips of the momentum. I'm targeting 35, let's say. Okay, 35 pips, 1 to 4 order, another beautiful trade. If the price comes here again, if the price comes here, liquidate this swing low, I'm gonna take the trade to the buys, and then from here I'm gonna take the trade to the downside. Let's see, is the price? No, I don't see anything over there, right? Nothing. Price is not even coming from the validated zone. And always remember, bro, the price always comes from the supply to the demand, and demand to the supply. This is a way of transportation of the price. Price always comes from price always goes from supply to the demand. Supply to the demand, demand to the supply. And I don't see any kind of supply over there. If the price comes, here is my mobile phone. I'm gonna put the buy limit over there. Buy limit over there. Over here, and from here I will capture this 25 pips. I don't know if it is gonna work because the price gave me a setup, and this kind of setup always works on the 3-minute time frame, also the 1-minute time frame. I'm just watching right now. Yeah, the 2 scenarios over here, 2 things to make a decision. Yep, that's it. I'm gonna take both trades. I'm gonna take both the trades, and yeah, that's it, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna make it happen. So before that, taking the trade, let's check the news. We checked the technicals, but we didn't check the fundamentals. So on the fundamental, what the fundamental says, so there is no news for now. right? There is no news for now in the euro and the USD. The only news I can see at the 6:45 6 p.m. USD also impacts our beautiful EJs. Okay, okay, price is coming down, my goodie. Price is coming down. Let me. Okay, if the price taps. Okay, all right. This is a beautiful trade, bro. This is a really beautiful trade. I'm gonna take this kind of trade, man. Okay, okay. My order is just below that swing low, which forms inside that 3-minute demand zone. Over here, over here. This is a swing low, which forms inside this 3-minute demand zone, and it is what it is. So yeah, I'm gonna follow it, and let me tell you something. I'm trying to be a very disciplined trader, a trader who follow his plan, a trader who follow his rules, and discipline and the patience is the key to the success in any field, any kind of field. Discipline is just choosing between what you want and what you did. All right, guys, we are in the trade right now, and I don't know what's gonna happen. And I also took another quantity. When the okay, no panic. I followed my plan. I did everything right. I did everything in my control, and it's up to the market. It's gonna if it's gonna reward me or if it's gonna just throw me out of the bin, just throw me out of the can like that. I don't know what's gonna happen, but yeah, we follow our plan. I believe my risk is too much because I'm so obsessed with one thing. I'm obsessed with only one thing. That is, I literally want to pass the account in a one single trade. And if I hit this TP, if I hit the TP on this in this trade, bro, I'm literally gonna pass the account in one single trade, in this single trade. If I hit the TP of this, if I hit the TP of this trade, I'm gonna hit the target in the one single trade. I'm just waiting for the candle to get down. So yeah, it is what it is. Right now, I took the trade. Commission just, and when you take the trade, you have to assume like, okay, I've already lost the amount. I've already lost the amount, right? Oh my goodie, this is not supposed the price has to do. I want the price to go down, bro. Yeah, let's go down. Ah, don't push up because my stop is there. Don't push up. Boys, let's go to the 5-minute. What's the 5-minute it's doing? So we can have a little bit of clarity. All right. Oh my goodie. This is a 5-minute. All right. This was an actual, my man. Actually, it was a perfect entry level, I believe. And oh, I missed the entry by a pip. Or I say, no, we didn't liquidate it. That 5-minute candle high. Yeah, bro. Maybe the price gonna make a little bit of pullback over there to liquidate that swing, and from there maybe the price gonna go. But it was a possible entry point. It was possible. I entered too early, and I'm in the draw. Oh my goodness, I'm in the real drawdown, man. I'm in the drawdown right now. So it is this zone is a 3-minute, 5-minute combine. 3-minute, 5-minute. My goodness, what's gonna happen? 5-minute combine. If I'm gonna take the loss on this trade, it's gonna be like 30, 50, 60. How much? 50, 58, 60. I'm really risking too much. $90. Yeah, $90. My mistake. I did the vital mistake, bro. Really, I did the real mistake again. Let me see. What is the low of that candle? Open, high, low, close 182, 258, 182, 258, 182, 258, 182, 182, 858, Very good. Okay, price already tapped the zone, and now I wish, not I don't wish, but I want this price to go deep and down. I want this price to go down. Please, 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 please go down. Go freaking down, boys. I will think of booking the profits over here because this is a 3 minute demand zone. Also, the price is in the this is a completely bullish. This bullish zone is a demand zone. I'm not actually trading against the trend because on the high time frame zone, if you see on the high time frame zone, is actually the 4 hour. Look at the size of candle, and price is not even liquidating this swing low. It is deciding I'm not in the mood of going up. I'm in the mood of going down. So respect me. So price of course gonna respect the supply. I'm believing that. I'm believing that the price gonna respect the supply, but give me a little push, give me a little wick to the upside so that I can. So it is what it is. I enter in the trade. Now looking good. It's looking good, really. It's really looking good right now. If the price hits the target, if the price hits this level, I'm probably thinking of booking the trade because who knows what's gonna happen the next. If you go to the 5 minute time frame, can I see there is a demand, a powerful one, a powerful demand zone. Yeah, on the 5 minute, it's also a powerful demand zone, which contains lots of liquidity. So this is a 3 minute, 5 minute combined demand, combined. So if I think of booking the profits over here, so my risk reward will be 1:2.83, which is really good. And yep, I'm gonna do that. My entries are 182.759 and 182.702. So these are my entries. Bro, I'm regretting entering too early, man, because it was an actual possible entry level. It was that possible entry level, and now the price is, believe me, the price is gonna go up, or price went. All right. I did everything which is within my control. So everything ups to the market right now. So yeah, that it is what it is. Let's go check it out. So if I want to book the profits over there, so what it will be. I mean, it would be like a $200. $200. So $200 are more than enough, man. Really, $200 are more than enough. Risking $100 and you're making $200 are really enough, right? I'm glad to have this kind of risk reward as the price comes to that level, and I'm just setting the alarm over there if the price gonna hit the alarm. And actually, I put my exit is over here above these demands high. But you know what? If the price, literally, if the price goes straight to this level, I'm gonna pass the account. From here, how many pips remains? 40 pips. If the price move extra 40 pips to the downside, I'm literally gonna pass the account. Literally, I'm gonna pass the account, okay? We are going good. I believe we are going good. All right. I don't know how much the time it will take for the price to be this kind of things. All right, going good. So if you can see I'm in the trade. I put my TP, I followed my plan, I did everything within my control. I'm floating $30-$40 right now. All right, guys. This is what happens when you follow the plan, bro. This is what happens. Now we have to set point. Good. We're going. 11 pips running right now. I'm floating, let me show. $78. As you can see, $78. Okay. And I want the price to go and hit the TP. I'm following my plan, bro. Look, my plan, what my plan says, this is my exit criteria, or To book the profits, look for the earlier significant high-low. Yeah, we don't have swing high-low. We don't have strong candles high-low. We don't have any kind of, but we have the demand zone. We have the demand zone, and I'm going to book my profits over there, even if it is a 1:2. I'm still good with it. Now I'm 83, and I'm not going to watch it. Just set and forget, bro. Just set $80, 84. Boom, boys, go down. Oh man, price is making a little bit of pullback. I'm with the very max lot size, bro. Really, man. The size of candle really strong. And yeah, it. It has to go down. If the price wants to go down, it has to be going down. This is a swing low, this low. It is making a pullback, and yeah, it really sucks. It really sucks, bro. Really. As compared to these candles, the buying is really slow, and we are still in the bearish. We are still bearish, and the price has to go to the downside. So this is it. Okay, okay, that had nothing to do with you. This is the market, boys. Oh my goodie. Please go down and liquidate. Hunt these lows, and tap this demand zone. Please, I'm begging you, market. Please go down. Please go down. Yo, boys. Yo, man. Go, 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 go. I'm just waiting for this alarm to get hit. I will show you. What the hell, man? The price is literally reversing, bro. Oh my goodie. It's not the rejection I wanted. Price tried. If I can put something over here. I used to do these kind of things always. Price tried to go, but it fails, and final price gave the breakdown. So I believe the price has to go down. Bro, why the price is really foolishly doing something, huh? I'll cut the trade. If the price closes above, I will cut the trade. I will cut if the price closes above. Or I say cut the trade with whatever profits you have. Cut the trade, and everybody, you should always put the exit criteria in your trade when the price reach a certain level. So cut the trade with whatever profits you have. Don't force it. Just book the profits. Right? Just book the profit. That's what I wanted to tell you. And here's top, middle, at the top, at the center. Yeah, at the center. Cut the trade with whatever profits you have. Alright, we have the two alarms over here. If the price hit this alarm, I'm gonna cut the trade, or when the price close. When the candle close above here, I'm gonna cut the trade. If not, and if the price goes straight up to this level, then bro, there is nothing. Why the hell the price gonna go up? But yeah, sometimes you know what, the price do this kind of stuff. Just I don't know what to do, but I'm going to. Bro, this trail is really struggling to go down, bro. I don't see anything down there. Why the heck is this even going up? I believe there is enough liquidity. There is insufficient supply, I believe so. And the price is gonna tap this level, and from here we can see the push to the downside. Maybe we can add more quantity when the price come down and crosses this level again. Like that. So I'm still going to hold this trade, and I'm looking for these, and these, of course. So price showed me very good profits over here. Okay, at least I should book 1, 2. It's not even logical. Price was showing me very good profits there, but it wasn't logical things to do. It's a 5-minute, 3-minute combined supply, and there is nothing. There is nothing that the price is pushing, so our price is really struggling to go up. I'm still hoping the price. All right, guys. After a very wait, still the price is not moving as we expected, and yeah, this is what it is. Price liquidated is low. It is not a swing low, and not even an important low. Um. Okay. All right. All right. Okay. 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 And I don't want price was showing me a good profits over here. Let's say, is it even okay? I'm done. 1:2. Price hit the 1:2 already, but I'm still expecting now. Okay, boys, we are so tricky. You're the tricky one, huh? You don't want. So I still want. I mean, I don't want a reason. Okay, I'm not booking the trades right now. And I don't want a reason, okay, price liquidated that thing. And if the price is liquidating this low and price reverses from here, and I don't want that reason, oh, price liquidated that swing low and gave a bullish engulfing on the 3 minute time frame, and that's where it's gonna go. I don't want to give that kind of reason. I'm holding this trade, bro. Really, it's giving me hope when this bearish candle is forming so hard, so pleasing. It's so pleasing moment. I mean, it's so pleasing. Is it a bearish engulfing close? We are on the window. Let's go to the IC markets. No, we do not have an engulfing close, but yeah, we have a morning star. Let's see on the broker what happened. On the broker, if I see on the broker, you know what I can see the first, I can see my floating panel, and on 3 minute, yeah, we have a bullish engulfing close, and I'm floating $140 right now. Should I book? No, I shouldn't, because if the price is giving me, if the price has a potential to give me this kind of beautiful trade, so why should I? Why should I waste the opportunity, boya? Why should I even waste the thing? Waste the opportunity over there? And there is a news on the GBP today, and GBP European markets, they affect each other's, and yeah, it is what it is. I'm just setting and forgetting right now. Let me, yeah, 5:30, and now is 5:10, and yeah, what should I do? Okay, yeah, it's just a little bit of rejection. Okay, I'm just setting and forgetting right now. See you. All right, guys, can you see me? Bro, we are about to hit our TP, man, after a long wait. Now, please don't. I believe so. It has the potential to go beyond this demand zone, but my rule says when you see the supply demand zone or breakout level, just book your TP. And bro, do not reverse from here at least. Now I want to see if I'm floating 200 plus, I'm gonna book the trade. If not, then I'm gonna hold the trade. So I'm floating 188. I want a little push so that I can book the trade. I want a little push, bro. All right, this is I'm floating my goodie. Oh my goodie, 192. All right, 192. I need a good 188. Let me show you something. Let me show you something. All right, I was holding the trade from, bro. It was a crazy trade, man. I believe the price has to go down a little bit, just a little bit. I was holding a trade from 1 hour 55 minutes. Do not reverse, bro. Should I book the trade? Yeah, I believe I should book the trade. Okay, it's back down, man. Did we tap the supply? Sorry. Did we tap the demand? Not yet. hold the trade for almost 2 hours, and the price is pulling back into the supply again. And yeah, it is what it is. Literally, bro, price reversed from here. My trailing got hit first entry, and I believe that my second entry also, maybe, yeah, I believe so. Yeah, yeah, I got my both of my trailing hit. Commission was very expensive. Three, bro. We are break even today. Seriously, man. I'm what to say, bro. 6:45. We have the news in the at the 6:45. Should I sell again? I literally exited from the trade at a break even, bro. No profits, no loss. Just break even. Just the break even, bro. Break even. Suck, man. Break even, bro. Guys, it gave me, bro. It gave me a very beautiful hair. It gave me a beautiful aura. Why the hell? Why is even reversing, huh? Okay, let's see. Again, do again. All right, I'm planning to short at these levels, right? So that will be my second entry. I just exited in this trade at break even. Why I'm believing that the price has to go down, because it has to go down. Yeah, bro. It has to go. I was so good that I did it. Um, I'm good. I didn't short it over there immediately. I believe it's an inducement. Price will induce this, and it will just this is a possible entry level. And from here, if there is an insufficient supply, and then of course the price will react to that level. And I believe that the price is coming for the inducement. So okay, I'm going to enter here again. And this time the go. Oh man, we are in the New York Open, and I want this trade to hit my grid. All right, lights are just cut up, and it is what it is. I'm floating my goodie. Oh my goodie, 192. All right, 192. I need a good 188. Let me show you something. Let me show you something. All right, I was holding the trade from, bro. It was a crazy trade, man. I believe the price has to go down a little bit, just a little bit. I was holding a trade from 1 hour 55 minutes. Do not reverse, bro. Should I book the trade? Yeah, I believe I should book the trade. Okay, it's back down, man. TP just smash, and what happened? Actually, I trailed my SL to break even, and here's the result, bro. These are the trades. It really sucks. Let me on my history, trade history, so we can have the clarity. Look here, bro. After stopping me out. What the hell? After stopping me out, price literally went it down. Bro, it really sucks, man. Really sucks.